I just made a short for it, but I don't want it to just be in the shorts system. I also want it to be in normal videos. But because how stupid YouTube is, I have to do this widescreen in over a minute. So let me repeat. I'll repeat it here. The giveaway has not started. The giveaway is nowhere near ready. All I have so far is his head printed. I have nothing else printed. I have to modify a few things that the original Bonbon has, but the giveaway will happen when I say it's going to happen. It's not today, it's not going to be tomorrow, it may not even be until like 2 weeks from now or even later. Because I still have to get things ready, because there's rules and guidelines that I have to follow, that I need to know about, and I just have to prepare. The giveaway is not now, it's not today, and if anyone tells you otherwise or tries to send you to a website or whatever, do not listen to them. I will tell you when the giveaway is going to happen. Anything that's not from an official video, from my description or whatever, do not listen to it. It's either rumor, hearsay, or whatever. So please, do not listen to any of these scammers that are in the comment section of any of those videos. I'm sorry if you got confused or they send you to a website, but please, just be patient. Don't listen to anyone about the giveaway except coming from me, because that's official. Also, the business email is only for, like, you know, business things and stuff like that. So please, don't send questions through it. I try to do most things community-wise and comment videos and other stuff like that, but just, I want to get that out there. Please, be careful. Don't go to suspicious links. Do none of that stuff. Just be patient. The giveaway will happen eventually. I just have to print everything, because this is how far I got. That's all I've got so far for the giveaway. I still have to print everything else, and right now we're doing spring cleaning, and I'm also working on Funtime Freddy and a couple other things. Right there, that's Candy Cadet. I gotta get those cleaned out. It's just, you know, there's a yard sale happening soon. I want to get rid of some of this stuff. So, anyway, ran aside. Just be safe. Don't go to suspicious links. Just be patient, and I'll tell you all when it's gonna happen. Thank you again for the 300,000 subscribers. Just be safe. Love. Peace out. And I said chicken in the last one. This time I'm going for the turkey. The juicy turkey. And look, I found a little cupcake. I'm going to paint that, and that's going to be Chica's cupcake. Chica cupcake.